Hi everyone, welcome to DataSense tutorial. My name is Shahar from DataSense product team, and today we'll be going over how to install DataSense on an on-premise environment that's connected to the internet. Prior to this session, I've prepared a couple of things. I've installed a connector on my system in my environment. I've prepared a virtual machine on which we're going to install DataSense on. That machine complies with some requirements. You can find these requirements in our documentation, and the link is going to be down below, right below this video. So I've downloaded the installer from the NSS and copied it to my virtual machine, and we're ready to go. So we're going to start out with going to the DataSense or classification page. We're going to activate DataSense, and since we're installing on an on-premise environment, we're going to choose deploy on-prem. Here you can find some links and instructions. Since I already know what to do, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the installation command from right here, and I'm going to move to my terminal. I'm going to connect via SSH to my pre-prepared virtual machine on which I'm going to install DataSense. Right, now that I'm logged into my virtual machine, I can just paste the installation command that I just copied from BlueXP and run it. The installer asks for my connector, my BlueXP connector IP. So I'm just going to insert that. In my environment, I'm not using proxy. That is something that is supported, and we're going to add another video on how to install DataSense with proxy, but since I'm not using proxy in my environment, I'm just going to click no. And now the first step that is running in the installation is the prerequisite tester. Its purpose is to make sure and help understand whether the machine is answering all the requirements it needs in order to have DataSense installed on. As you can see down below here, I can install DataSense with my configurations. However, there are going to be some limitations to the system. So if I look up here, I can see that I have 8 cores and 59 gigs of RAM. These are sufficient for DataSense to be able to function. However, there might be some scanning and other functions limitation, but I can still install. You can see that the rest of the output is green, which means these are good for DataSense installation. The prerequisite tester can give out one of 3 colors. The results can be either green, yellow, or red. Green means you're good to go. Yellow means you can install, however, expect some limitations. And red means that you're not answering the requirements that DataSense would not be able to install. I'm good with installing with these limitations, so I'm just going to click yes and go ahead and start the installation. This process will take between 10 to 15 minutes. You can also go back to BlueXP and see that the installation has started and view indications there as well. And so let's jump 10 to 15 minutes ahead. All right, so 10 minutes later, we're done. Installation here is finished. We can go back to BlueXP and see that we've successfully deployed DataSense. And from then we move on to configuration, start configuring and scanning our working environments. Good luck.